everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a shrimp pasta, and the pasta I'm going to use, this is Garofalo brand and it's called Casarecce. It takes 11 minutes before it gets tender, so we're going to boil it. Sauce, we're going to use 1 pound. So half of the jar, that is 32 ounce. So we'll be using 16 ounce. Half teaspoon each salt, cumin powder, red chili flake, black pepper, 2 teaspoon fresh garlic, and handful cashews. Please try cashews in pasta. They taste really well. Parmesan cheese and olive oil. The shrimps I'm going to use, these are Wild Pacific cold water shrimp, and this is a 2-pound bag. I will be using half of it, so that will be 1 pound. And prior to using it, we're going to wash it with cold water. And let's start making our delicious shrimp pasta. The first step will be get a pot and bring the water to boil. Then add pasta. And this one takes 11 minutes to get tender. After adding it, just stir it once. This is good. Now we cover with the lid and we're going to let it boil. It's exactly 7 minutes of boiling the pasta. Now I'm going to start another burner and get a karahi, add olive oil. As the oil heats up, add garlic. Mix it. Give like a 10 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. This is all we need. Add cashews. Cook additional 10 seconds. So within 20 seconds this is good enough. Now we'll add shrimp. The shrimp we washed with cold water. So the shrimp will retain some water. Once we start cooking, it will release the water. So we're going to mix it well. After mixing it well, as you see, it starts to release the water. I'll add spices, salt, cumin powder, black pepper, red chili flakes, and mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. If you notice that a lot of water, so it will dry up real fast. This is all tender. So I'm going to turn off the gas. And on this side, if you notice that the water started to dry up, and 3 minutes of cooking, our shrimps are ready as well. I'll add half of the salt and mix it well. So we'll drain the water. Once the water is drained, as you can see, this is how our pasta looks. I'll add pasta. After adding pasta, we're going to mix it well. Everything is cooked. We really don't need to cook more. Just keep it mixing. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add Parmesan cheese. Mix it. We'll add more Parmesan cheese. It's all done. I'm going to turn off the gas and I will dish out. Are my serving plate ready? And we're going to dish out. This is super tasty and super delicious Casarecce pasta. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, sprinkle with parsley flakes and Parmesan cheese. This is perfect. This is very tasty shrimp pasta recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.